What's up, guys? Happy New Year to you all. Today I'm gonna be unboxing this phone right there, Mate Alpha X. And what really got my attention was the fact that they're not trying to promote this phone as a bezel-less device, just 18 by 9 aspect ratio. And what really got me into this phone is the camera. I watched their video on YouTube, the promo video, and I saw the camera quality and I was like, wow, this is crazy for this price. So let's go into the unboxing. At the back you can see it's got 18 by 9 aspect ratio display, LOP25, 6GB RAM, 64GB RAM, Sony 13 megapixel camera, just single camera. This is not a double camera phone, no dual camera. It's better to have a good single camera than to have two rubbish camera sensor. 3,900 milliamp battery. It's not too bad. Almost 4,000 milliamp battery, but it's not there yet. Fingerprint scanner, Touch ID. They call it Touch ID. Android N, then USB Type C. That's what it's just at the back of the box. So that's just a quick specification. As you can see, the model. As you can see, the model is a Mate Alpha X. So let's open the phone. I kind of like the packaging anyway. All right. So this is the phone, and let me put it there. Let's look if there's any freebies in the packaging. Let's see in the box. Let's see if there's any freebies in the box. So what else do we have? I'm not sure if it's a fast charging adapter. I'm not sure, but I did not read anything like fast charging, and nothing is written there that says fast charging, just a power adapter and it's USB Type C. What else do we get in the box? That's the SIM ejector. What do we have here? Unfortunately, you're not gonna be getting a case for this device. There's no jelly case or no plastic case, nothing. This is just the paperwork, the quick guide, the warranty card. And then what else do we have here? This seems to be a tamper glass, maybe it's worth it, hardly having a case and you got a tamper glass. I kind of like the design of the device anyway. I still prefer fingerprint sensor to be at the front of the phone rather than putting at the back. I still prefer that one, and I think that's what they've done. So I don't know, maybe it's all glass phone. I can't remember what it looks like, to be honest. I ordered too many phones, I can't even remember what they look like until they come. What do we get here? Nothing is eating here, just the charger and the. Okay, I'll leave this away. I'll move this away. Put this here. So this is the phone, Mate Alpha X. Yeah, it's black, and I like the design. This can be forgiven. Heavy phone with cool and nice design, always dual stereo speaker. Fake one is, I know one is speaker, one is just dummy, so I don't know why they always do this. They better just leave one. So let's have a quick look at the phone. At the top you got your 3.5 audio jack. At the side, volume up, volume down, power button, and at the bottom, which of them I don't know which of them is the speaker, but you got one of them is a speaker, and here is the USB Type C port, your fingerprint sensor, your selfie camera is here, and single camera at the back. These attract a lot of fingerprints. I mean, look at it. You can see that. I don't know if you look, but it can be forgiven. Doesn't matter. Clean it up. If I don't know which one is heavier between these and the Doji Mix. Let me see. I think the Doji Mix is still a little bit heavier than the phone. Yeah, I like the design. They have a minimal bezel at the top, and they have a big bezel at the bottom. I'm guessing it's because of the fingerprint sensor. So let's power up the phone and let's see what it looks like. Okay. That's what we greeted with Mate, powered by Android. Alright guys, the phone is booted, so I installed a few applications which I'm going to be testing on the device. So let's check if we have anything like any update, you know. Because I don't know what's left. Okay, yeah, cool. We got update. So, and it says this update. Let me zoom in so you guys can see what I'm saying. You can see on the screen. So that's the update we got. Fixed 18:9 format preview size in camera app. Font size. So I'm gonna do this very quickly. I'm just gonna run this very quickly. This update. I'm gonna run it very quickly. So I'm gonna come back when it's done. The phone is finally booted now with fresh update. So let's test the GPS. Okay. Considering the fact that I'm indoor, you can see it's still picking, so it's not too bad. The fact that I'm indoor, so I'm not going to waste too much time on you. I'm going to jump into the next test. I'm going to run the antutu benchmarking. You know, I always say I don't really fancy this course, but I just do it for doing sake, you know, because it's got to be done. So let's jump into. Okay, I'll do the speed test first. Let's run the speed test. Let's see what this phone can get on Wi-Fi speed test. So no, not too bad. I mean, you can't complain considering how much you're paying, you know, you can't complain. It's not too bad. What happened? Did it just crash? Something happened. Did it crash? I don't know what happened. It just went back to the home screen and it switched on the Bluetooth. What's going on? To be honest, you can see, I don't know what happened. Just crashed, switch on the Bluetooth. I'm going to run the test again. Let's see what we're going to be getting. Still not too bad. We still get the same score we got earlier. As you can see on the screen. So, and I hope, okay, let's forgive the phone. That was an hiccup, you know, probably. Oh my word, what's going on? He did it again. What the heck is going on here? It seems if you want to test the upload speed, then something must happen. This is the last try. The download speed is all right, but the upload speed, something is wrong somewhere. Okay. Maybe because the phone, you know, I just update the phone. Maybe that's why. It could be doing something in the background. So that doesn't really mean anything anyway. It ran the test successfully this time around, as you can see on the screen. It ran it successfully, I'll show you. So that's it. You can see it's called 15.94 and 18.69 on the upload speed. So let's draw the antutu. Let's see what we're going to be getting on this antutu benchmarking test. So let's run it now. Alright guys, so now you can see you finished this test and it's scored 58,679, which is not too bad. I mean, for the mid-range device in this category, but I only do this because you guys just want to see what's going to score. That would not justify my own test, you know. When I mean justify, I like to test this phone in my own way to see whether it's good or it's bad. So I'm going to be jumping into the camera test now. Alright guys, let's test the camera sensor of this device. Let's see. Oh, I think this focused very quickly, you know. Oh, wow. Wow. You see, as I move to each object, it just focuses on them. Wow, this is crazy. I like this. I'm not expecting pro camera sensor or this kind of device, but with this one, I think I'll be all right, you know, I'll be okay. So let's have a picture sample. Let's zoom in as much as you can. Not too bad at all. You know, if you try to zoom in That's what you're getting. It's not too bad. Let's have another one. This is not a dual camera phone, so you're not gonna get that blur effect, you know, that bokeh effect. You're not gonna get it. Let's try the mono. This monochrome means black and white. So let's see. Wow, I think I will have to test this outdoor. I like the camera quality of this device. It's very good, you know. It's very good. The Pro mode. Oh, let's brighten it up. Okay. Let's see. It's too much brightness. That's the Pro mode. ISO. Whoa. I think this phone is impressive. Wow, I'm glad this is my first phone in this year, you know, my first phone review this year, and I think I like what I'm seeing with this device. You know, spot on device, good device, you know. Look at the image. Look. Just look. Why would anybody complain with the price you're getting? Of course, if you zoom in, you're gonna get more noise, you know. But your picture will end up in Facebook, Instagram. Nobody's gonna notice in this size. So guys, let's jump into the sound test now. So this is what it feels like watching anything on the device. As you can see, is that the highest volume? Yes, that's the highest volume. Wow. Viewing angle, not too bad for what you're getting, to be honest. Where is your speaker? So in case you're wondering, this is your speaker, this is your dummy. Look at it. Look at it. So for me, I think it's all right. You know, the phone will not disappoint. Am I watching in 1080p? Let's see. Yeah, that's the highest. So I think the phone won't disappoint you guys. So that's it. This is just the sound test with the screen test at the same time, just to see how sharp the screen is. If you're watching movie or if you're playing game, you know, this is what you're gonna be getting. So in the meantime, I'm gonna be testing this phone with the Dodgy Mix. Since they both got 6 gig RAM, I'm gonna be testing them together. I'm gonna run the speed test and I'm gonna run the comparison. You know, I want to see which one is better, because a lot of people might be wondering, oh, you got both devices, can you tell us which one is better, the Dodgy or the Mix Alpha X? So I'm gonna test them in a real way. So guys, that's the end of the video. Thank you guys for watching my video. Happy New Year once again. I do appreciate your time. Bye. God bless.